Hello everyone. In this video we will discuss about the notification which is released for GATE 2022. This year GATE examination will be organized by IIT Kharagpur. GATE is a national examination jointly conducted by IISc Bangalore and 7 IITs Bombay, Delhi, Guwahati, Kanpur, Kharagpur, Madras, Roorkee. So under the aegis of Ministry of Education, Government of India, this year GATE examination is conducted by or organized by IIT Kharagpur. GATE examination is a computer based test. Qualifying in GATE examination is required for admission to postgraduate programs like Masters, MTechs and doctoral like PhDs with Ministry of Education and other government scholarships or assistantships subject to fulfilling the admission criteria of the admitting institutes. The GATE score is also used by some PSUs for their recruitment and by several other universities for their admission in India. GATE 2022 score will remain valid for 3 years, that is for 2023, 24, 25 like that. So for 3 consecutive years the score will be remain valid. So the 3 years will be considered from the date of announcement of the result. So what is the eligibility of GATE? A candidate who is currently studying in 3rd year of BTech or undergraduation or higher year of any undergraduate degree program or has already completed any government approved degree program in engineering, technology, architecture, science, commerce, arts. So any of the degree program, the student or the candidate who is currently studying in 3rd year or final year students or has already completed students, so those are eligible for GATE 2022 examination. It will be conducted in selected cities and towns in India. So here we have an important note is also there. So what is the important note mean? GATE is not an admission ensuring examination. Qualifying in GATE examination does not guarantee admission or scholarship. Admission to any institute is fully dependent on the admitting institute's criteria for educational qualification. Similarly, GATE qualification does not assure a public sector undertaking job. GATE committee is not liable for any obligation related to admission or job. So here we discussed what is GATE examination and what is the eligibility criteria of GATE examination. Now we'll see what are the subjects, means in which subjects the GATE examination will be there. So here we will discuss what are GATE 2022 papers. So here are so many papers are there. First one is Aerospace Engineering, AE, Agricultural Engineering, AZ, Architecture and Planning, AR, Biomedical Engineering, BM, Biotechnology, BT, Civil Engineering, CE, Chemical Engineering, CH, Computer Science and Information Technology, CS, Chemistry, CY, Electronics and Communication Engineering, EC, Electrical Engineering, EE, Environmental Science and Engineering, ES, Ecology and Evolution, EY, Geology and Geophysics, GG, Geomatics Engineering, GE, Instrumentation Engineering, IN, Mathematics, MA, Mechanical Engineering, ME, Metallurgical Engineering, MT, Mining Engineering, MN, Naval Architecture and Marine Engineering, NM, Petroleum Engineering PE, Physics PH, Production and Industrial Engineering PI, Statistics ST, Textile Engineering and Fiber Science TF, Engineering Sciences XE, Humanities and Social Sciences XH, and Life Sciences XL. So in GATE 2022, we have the new papers are also introduced. So what are the new papers which are introduced in GATE 2022 are Geomatics Engineering GE and Naval Architecture and Marine Engineering NM. So these two are the new introduced papers in GATE 2022. A candidate may appear either in one or two subjects. For candidates who choose two papers, the combination must be from the approved list of combinations and subject to the availability of infrastructure and date. Means based on the infrastructure and based on the date, the candidate will select any of the two papers from the list of GATE 2022 papers. Now we will see what is the application fee per subject. So for a single subject, what is the fee, application fee? So here we have the gender or category is there, because for female students or SC, ST category and physically handicapped, physically challenged persons, PWD candidates, the regular period charges means regular fee is 750 rupees only, and for extended period means that means with a late fee, means if after completion of the fee due means fee date, by using the late fee also means with fine also we will apply the application. So for that it will charge 1250 rupees only. Remaining all other candidates, that means for male candidates of SC, ST or means for male candidates of students or otherwise BC, OBC or OC candidates, the regular period charge is 1500 rupees, and for with a late fee of extended period it is 2000 rupees only. Now what are all the dates? What are the dates for GATE 2022? So here the dates are mentioned for 4 days. So one is 5th February 2022, 6th February 2022, 12th, 13th. So these are all the 4 expected dates for conducting the GATE 2022 examination. Here dates mentioned are liable to change because of COVID-19 situation. So as we know we have the COVID-19 situation is there. So according to that these dates mentioned are liable to change also. Now we'll see online application and timeline. So the opening date of online registration is 30th August Monday 2021. Closing date of regular online registration is 24th September 2021, that is Friday. End of extended period for online registration means even though after 24th September also we will apply for the GATE 2022 but with a late fee. So that end of extended period for online application is 1st October 2021 Friday. The announcement of results. So once the exam is conducted and the result of announcement, the announcement of results is Thursday, that is 17th March 2022. So that is an expected date. So if for further details and any other updates, you need to visit the website, that is https gate.iitkgp.ac.in. So again I am repeating the link, https://gate.iitkgp.ac.in. Thank you.